What's up guys, welcome back to another banger on the Meech the Goat YouTube channel. Today, we're going to be trying out the all new Happy Hexagon maze from the developers over at the 3 Hexes. Shout out to Leoan, Nathan Almasi, and Meechai Kerr for putting this project together. Without further ado, let's get right into this. If you want to experience this project for yourself, here's how you can do it on C-Line. If you clone the GitHub repo, which will be down in the description, then you can bring it into C-Line, and then all you have to do is just press the Happy Hexagon Maze configuration and press run. And this is what happens. We get an input window where we can choose the height and width of our grid, as well as which algorithm we want to use. Or if you really want, you can use both algorithms and they will run one after each other so you can compare the two. But for now, let's just give you a demo and let's do it on a 30 by 25 maze using A star, and then we'll go Dijkstra, and then both, of course. So let's get right into this. So we're welcomed onto a new screen of our hex maze, and we get to see the grid itself as well as options of pause, play, and step forward. We can choose the speed and zoom, and we also have the stats of the algorithm in the lower right corner. And so let's just go ahead and play. And as you can see, you can watch as the algorithm starts to find its way through the maze, looking for the end in the top right corner. And you can even speed up the tick rate of that algorithm, so you don't have to wait that long to find out what its solution will be. And you can watch it fast as it works its way through this maze. And just like that, we found a path from the start to finish using the A star algorithm. And so that's all we wanted, right? So let's try out the Dijkstra's algorithm. Loading it up again, doing another 30 by 25 grid. We can choose Dijkstra and watch what happens. We'll zoom back out and we'll just hit play and we'll go at a reasonably fast speed. And just like that, we found a path through this different maze using Dijkstra's. But you've already seen this. What happens when we compare them? Let's get right into that. Once again, with the 30 by 25 grid, this time with both selected, we can go ahead and start. As you can see, we have this new grid and we have the stats of both of them in the bottom right corner. And as we press play, watch what happens. The A star starts to search through this grid to find the solution. And once we reach the end, it will show the line that we found as the optimal solution to this maze. And after a few seconds, it will go and start Dijkstra's, which will also do its search through the same grid. And finally, once we have all of them found, we can see in the bottom right the stats of A star and Dijkstra, and compare and see that Dijkstra had traversed more, so probably making it less efficient, but in the long run, it's going to find the best solution as compared to A star. So that's when you get to pick your poison, which one you want as your main maze solver. Guys, if you like this video and want to see more content of DSA Project 2 submissions, make sure to like and subscribe and hit that bell icon. Peace.